Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can redirect a URL in WordPress. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and then on the left panel go to plugins, click on add new plugin. Now on the search bar here, search for redirection, and this is the plugin we are gonna install. Just click on install now and activate. Now on the top, click on redirection setup. Welcome to redirection. Now go to the bottom and then click on start setup, basic setup. Just click on continue. Default WordPress plug, import export redirection. Just click on continue. Now it will take a few moments. REST API, good. Now click on finish setup. After that, click on continue. And installation complete. Now let's click on ready to begin. Add new redirection. Source URL. Here enter your source URL. So for example, I am going to add this URL. Copy the link and paste it. Query parameter exact match in any order. Target URL. I am going to target this URL like this URL. Copy and then paste it. Finally, click on that. Now let's check how it works. Go to website and then I am going to open this link and then it will be redirect to this post. So that's how you can redirect a URL in WordPress. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.